In terms of fostering that relationship, I spend a lot of time outside of my classroom fostering those relationships with our whānau. So often they're the same, our whānau, our mums and dads are the same age as me, and we have moved in different circles professionally and personally in the past. So I know quite a few of them from my previous experiences in my work. And so I find that I get on really well with our whānau, especially because we have things in common, and yeah. So, and one of the most important things is that we have in common is this relationship that we have with our ākonga, and we both have the same goal for them, and that's an awesome thing. And so, yeah. So I spend a lot of time fostering my relationships outside of my classroom. I go into the homes of our whānau. We spend a lot of time, we spend time at whānau hui, so we invite our whānau to hui to do fun stuff at school. We find opportunities for our whānau to come and engage with us, to come to our kapahaka practices, to come to prize givings. But yeah, a lot of it is spent one-on-one, me reaching out to see how to foster that good relationship, and to enhance that engagement that our students have with our school.